traffic on the road. Cessna's on runway heading, fly runway heading as well. Runway 26 right, clear for takeoff.
Fly runway heading, runway 26 right, clear for takeoff for Cessna 604. Alright, runway
55 Delta traffic departing, prior to arrival at Cessna, short approach bridge.
55 Delta, roger. Chino Tower, Cherokee 7412 Juliet.
Alright, there's your center line.
9115, 2005 Papa, request left close traffic.
Check it 7412 Juliet, Chino Tower, left base, outside the wash, runway 26 left.
There we go.
Outside, left base outside the wash, runway 26 left, 7412 Juliet. Chino Tower, Cherokee
4132
Juliet, on the go, 26 left, like to switch 26 right if possible.
Cherokee 4132 Juliet, continue in left close traffic, change to runway 26 right, and when able, begin the left crossing turn.
So it's a good.
Roger, we will continue left traffic, we'll make the left turn now, and we'll switch 26 right out of left traffic pattern for 32 Juliet. After 305, Papa Kilo at the northeast parking area. Like right traffic, 2 line, ma'am.
Cessna 3 Echo, left turn approved, contact SoCal departure.
Left turn approved, contact hotel departure 1539 right now.
Cessna 6 Airport, east of the Cessna at your 12 o'clock in sight, left turn out.
604, traffic in sight.
604, follow them, left turn approved, contact SoCal departure.
Follow the traffic over to SoCal for Cessna 604, so long. SoCal approach, Skyhawk 12604 with you out of 2800.
12604 SoCal approach, going to Oceanside V1.
604, affirmative. We're just going to go down around the Camp Pendleton Restricted Area and via the Oceanside VR.
Roger.
And approach 604, last controller, just want to confirm we're cleared up to 5,500.
604, proceed as requested.
As requested, 604, thanks.
3548, nicely done. Contact tower 12618. Take class 0, see you on the way out.
Running 85 Whiskey, turn right, heading 340, descend and maintain 5,200.
340, 5,200, 85 Whiskey.
Southwest 2158, descend and maintain 6,300, then reduce speed to 190.
6,300, then reduce to 190, Southwest 2158.
There's Beaks Place over there. Yep.
Cessna 86 Echo, turn right, heading 360.
Right 360, 86 Echo.
Beautiful day out. Wow. Look at the ocean. I mean, it's just glass.
SoCal, Cherokee 4486, maintaining 5,500.
Cherokee 4486, SoCal approach, roger.
And SoCal approach, Twin Comanche 8662 Yankee, also with a request.
Hey, just come from Tango Sierra. Just come from the identifier for Tehachapi.
Tehachapi is the destination, just departed Oceanside for 838, problem.
So what's the identifier for Tehachapi? What's the three-letter identifier? Kilo and then the three letters.
Kilo Tango Sierra Papa.
Approach Cessna 12604, checking in. 6,400, like start of VFR descent into Chino. We have to go back there.
604, SoCal approach, 200, descent approved.
Descent approved for 604.
2 Mike Kilo. Descent approved, 36 Mike.
This is 604, contact Chino Tower, 118.5.
118.5 for Cessna 604, so long.
282 Mike Kilo, what was your type aircraft?
Chino Tower, good afternoon. Skyhawk 12604 with you descending out of 4,800 eastbound for 90 West Quebec.
12604, Chino Tower, good afternoon. Where are you parking today?
604 going over to Chino Aviation.
604 going left base outside the wash, runway 26 right.
Left base outside the wash, runway 26 right for Cessna 604.
turn right at Kilo, contact ground point 6. Wonderful day.
Right at Kilo, over to ground point 6. Have a great one as well for 604.
Thank you.
Papa.
Cherokee 21 Juliet, taxi to parking via Delta Papa.